In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Mailchimp from Canva. For many of us, integrating different online tools can make our digital lives significantly more efficient. Mailchimp and Canva are two powerful platforms in their own right. Mailchimp helps you manage and talk to your clients, customers, and other interested parties, streamlining your marketing efforts. Meanwhile, Canva gives you the power to create stunning visual content with ease. When you connect these two platforms, you can supercharge your marketing materials. But what if you need to disconnect them? Whether it's for troubleshooting or simply because you no longer need the integration, disconnecting Mailchimp from Canva is a simple process that you can complete in just a few steps. First things first, you will need to log into your Mailchimp account. Begin by heading to the Mailchimp login page. You can easily find this by searching for Mailchimp login in your preferred search engine, or by going directly to the Mailchimp website and looking for the login option. Once you're there, you're faced with the straightforward task of entering your username or email. Fill this in with the same credentials you used to sign up or those you've previously set. Next up, you'll need to type in your password. Remember, this should be the unique password you chose when creating your Mailchimp account. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. There's usually a forgot password option to help you reset it and regain access to your account. With your credentials entered, it's time to log in. Simply click on the login button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're in, you're ready to start the disconnection process. Navigate your way to the home page of your Mailchimp account. This is typically found by clicking on the Mailchimp logo at the top of the page or by selecting Home from the menu options. From here, you need to locate the Integrations section. This area of Mailchimp is where all your connected apps and services are managed. Clicking on Integrations will take you to a page that lists all the tools you've connected to your Mailchimp account. On the Integrations page, look for the option that allows you to manage your connections. This is typically labeled Manage or something similar. Clicking on it will open up a list of all the platforms currently linked to your Mailchimp account. Among the listed integrations, you'll find Canva. It might be listed by name, or you might need to look for the Canva logo. Once you've located Canva in the list, click on it to view more details about this specific integration. After selecting Canva, you should see an option to manage this app. Look for a button or link saying Manage App, Settings, or something along those lines. Clicking on this will take you to the settings page for the Canva integration. Here comes the final step. Within the Canva integration settings, you'll find an option to disconnect Canva from your Mailchimp account. It could be labeled Disconnect Site, Unlink, or Remove Connection. Click on it and Mailchimp will usually ask for confirmation that you want to proceed. Confirm your decision and the process will be complete. Canva will be disconnected from your Mailchimp account. And that's all there is to it. Disconnecting Canva from Mailchimp is a straightforward process that you can do in just a few minutes, but it's important to understand why and when it might be necessary to do so. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or simply no longer need the integration, knowing how to manage these connections empowers you to control your digital tools effectively. Remember, both Mailchimp and Canva are incredibly powerful platforms that offer a wealth of features to explore. Even if you've decided to disconnect them, both services offer extensive capabilities that can help you achieve your marketing or design goals separately. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy to follow tech guides. Happy designing and marketing!